Hey everyone, Ken and Andrea here from Northern Viking Explorer. We are here on Royal Caribbean's Ovation of the Seas, and we want to give you a quick tour of our cabin.
We are staying in cabin 7521, which is an inside virtual balcony. So it's inside, but it's like having a balcony, kind of.
Kind of. Let's go check it out. Do you want to give us a quick tour?
Yes. So again, this is cabin 7521. It is a virtual inside cabin. So let's start at the door though. First, we have a thermostat so you can adjust the temperature up and down. The main light switch is here. You do require a little card to be in to keep the power on. This is nice. Hey, a full-size mirror right by the door. You can check your whole outfit.
I know you'll like that. What do you have in your hand?
We brought some magnets this time because we like to hook things up.
Magnetic hooks, and is the wall magnetic? It is.
Totally is.
Now what I'm wondering is the ceiling magnetic?
Yes, definitely.
It is,
and
yeah.
it has a good tug there.
If you do want some hooks, magnetic hooks, we'll have them linked below in the description. There's all sorts of different weights and things that they can handle, so.
Yeah, they're handy to keep things organized. Really nice mirror here with some lighting on it, with a vanity and a chair. There's two standard North American plugs, two USB and a European plug.
And we did bring a European plug with us this time with a PD port on it and a USB 3. And now we have extra plugs. So if you want one of those as well, it's linked below in the description. Let's keep going here. Nice TV.
It is.
Probably roughly a 40-inch. Does it pull out from the wall or is it stuck?
Oh,
it is stuck.
That's good.
Or,
it's not stuck.
But it swivels out. That's really nice.
Yeah, not all the way.
Oh, is that as far as it goes?
That's all that it goes. Yeah.
Okay, but that'll be
it
nice
helps
with the
when
bed.
you're watching from bed.
Lots of drawers here.
Okay, let's check in the
cupboards.
drawers. So there is a hairdryer.
Is it powerful?
I'm gonna guess not, but we'll see. It's your standard hotel type, the kind that you have to hold the button with.
Okay.
You know, it'll do the trick for most people, but if you like a nice one, bring your own. Down below here is a cooler.
Mini cooler.
And it's pretty small. Like you can put a couple drinks in there. It's not cold like a fridge though. And then on this side, we have our drawers. All the way down the same.
And then our king size bed here. Now one thing you already pointed out, Andrea, is above there's lots of storage. Both of these open up.
This is nice. Like that's a lot of stuff. Woo, especially if you like to pack a lot of things.
Don't put a bowling ball in there if it gets really, if the seas get rough, that's falling on you, so.
Yeah. Now over on the side here.
Is there switches on those lights?
Yes, so it's right underneath the light switch. The telephone is here. There's open shelving for the nightstand.
Okay.
No, I don't see a plug on this side. Oh, nope, that's for the phone.
Okay.
All right.
On this side though, I did notice there is a plug. So there's the shelving again. And there's one plug here and a main light switch for the main lights in the room. And then you've got a little light switch here as well. Like that.
Now, over here in front of our virtual balcony, we have a nice little sitting chair to recline in and watch TV.
Or you can watch the virtual balcony. I actually think the virtual balcony is pretty cool. That's a real live view of off the side of the ship towards Seattle.
It'd be nice when you're at sea to see what the weather is.
To see what the weather.
See. Yeah. All right, now here's the wardrobe. Open up this. Let's open it all the way up so you can see. All right, so there's a good amount of hangers.
The safe.
Big enough, not big enough for a laptop, but for all your wallet.
A couple more drawers down there.
Yeah, and they got the nice soft clothes, which is handy for in here.
And then
Should we check out the washroom?
the restroom. Oh, I want to show you this. Don't fall.
Yeah, be careful. Oh, look.
A nice
There's
hook.
one hook here. So bringing extra hooks would probably be really nice.
First thing I noticed and looked at. Oh, that's nice. Two
More
hooks.
hooks, yeah.
But glass or
Glass.
acrylic or something.
It's so much nicer than a curtain.
Yes.
It's like so
Don't spill the soap like last time.
that was horrible. So this is a hair and body wash. There's no conditioner in here.
Okay.
The shower head does go up and down on this one. And you can see there's a side to adjust the temperature
Yeah.
and the amount of water. Little bar for shaving.
Is there a cord for hanging? No, there isn't a
No,
clothesline.
that's a first.
I'm surprised.
I am surprised.
But there's more hooks behind the door here too.
Yeah.
And there's
Oh, you
actually
know
lots
what?
of hooks.
So yeah, actually, that's probably even easier.
There's
to
way
hang.
more hooks, so it's probably okay.
If you're hanging your swimsuit in there, that's
Yeah.
probably good. All right, a little squishy in here. We have our classic cruise toilet. Then on the side, we have some shelving. And there is also a plug here for an electric razor. We
Nice
have a
big mirror.
It is a big mirror and good lighting. There's a nice small sink and trash can and some shelving down below and hand towels and bath towels.
And that's it. I think it's a really nice interior cabin here. The virtual balcony on the Ovation of the Seas.